Shibani, will this benefit all the sector? My question is this a rising tide which will lift all boats? Which are the segments that you like? And tell us a little bit more about the growth expectations. Is this an industry or the sub-segments, will they see a 10% plus kind of an earnings growth for the next 5-10 years or 15%? And you spoke about valuations being attractive. Can you put numbers to that?
Sure. So, of course, the chemical space in India is fairly large, and India is present in different segments of chemicals. But in terms of areas of growth, there are three key areas that we are looking at. First, of course, is the pharma segment, where chemicals and players who are supplying in terms of pharma intermediaries, CDMOs, there is considerable potential to grow. And here again, India's penetration in terms of the global markets are still in low single digits, and therefore with rising healthcare demand, we believe that the export potential as far as pharma intermediaries are concerned within the overall chemical construct, that is one area of growth. The second area of growth is the agrochemicals segment. Here we believe that crop protection demand overall should see some amount of rebound. Even within, of course, India, demand has been growing, and therefore research seems to suggest that, if you look at major global agrochemical inventories, that is at multi-year lows. And therefore, from here on, volumes and margins could recover over the next couple of years. So agrochem is the second space. And third, of course, is the advanced materials segment, which includes segments such as refrigerant gases, battery, energy, chemicals, and the others, where again, India can, gain market share, and these could be key drivers for growth. If you look at a broader construct in terms of growth expectations over the medium term, there have been studies which now suggest that high single-digit growth, maybe in the range of 7 to 9% is possible for the Indian chemical sector over the medium term, and that we believe should be the key driver. Of course, the segments that we spoke about, the pharma intermediary, agrochem, as well as advanced materials in some terms of segments such as refrigerant gases, could see higher growth, and that we believe should help in terms of multiples re-rate for the sector as a whole.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.